Hi, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota, and today I'm going to do a short video of our brand new 2024 Forest River Arctic Wolf, and this is the 3910 Suite fifth wheel. We'll show you the inside, we'll show you the outside, and we'll see if you like it. All right, up front you've got the nice blue LED lights on the front cap, molded fiberglass. Spare tire up front in the compartment here, along with a battery disconnect and a vented battery box. 5 slides total on the 3910. Huge floor plan. It's a front living floor plan. Tons of exterior storage. So there's your front pass-through storage. Your electronic auto level control panel is in there. And then to the right of that, outside, is your cable satellite hookups, freshwater connection, black tank flush, and your exterior shower. Huge storage area here. Your sewer outlet connection is right down here on this side with your black and gray tank poles. And then you've got even more storage in the back here with some extra outlets. So as you can see, you can access it from all 3 sides. And then you do have prep for a ladder up top and a Furrion backup camera. You have 2 electric awnings with blue LED lighting along with outside speakers. Really nice outside kitchen here. You've got ice maker, flat top grill, 110 refrigerator, and sink with running water along with some extra outlets. There's that second awning there. You've got the aluminum fold-up steps by MoreRide, along with your extra large grab handle. And then as you walk in, your living room is up front here. So 3 couches total. The 2 side couches will fold out into beds for extra sleeping. And then you do have a fireplace, which is 5,000 BTUs up front. Some more blue accent lighting. And you've got prep for a TV. So there's your TV mount placement along with extra outlets and USB ports. This is your theater seating here, so that will recline. And then here is your control panel right in the kitchen area, so all your slide out buttons, master light switches, along with your water pump and awning button is there. You got a really nice hutch area with extra countertop space, storage above and below. Full size 12 volt cubic refrigerator. Then you also have 3-burner oven and microwave. Stainless steel sink. And then this is new for 2024. They do put a cup washer right there. Also comes with this nice cutting board. And a half bath in the kitchen area. So toilet, sink, extra storage along with a medicine cabinet. And then freestanding table and chairs on one side, and then they do the booth seat on the other that is movable. If you want to move it up to the front living area as an ottoman, you can do that. More pantry or closet storage there. And then you walk up into the master bedroom, and as you can see, you've got full hanging clothes storage, more prep for television here, and then it does come with a king bed. USB and outlets on each side. Over here you do have 12-volt power. And huge master bathroom, tons of floor space, 2 sinks, 2 medicine cabinets, fantastic fan, skylight in the shower, and washer dryer prep in here as well, if you'd like to add that. I'll do one more walk around to the floor plan. There is also central vacuum system at the entrance door. The theater seating is heated and massaged as well. Well, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota. If you're interested in this new 2024 Forest River Arctic Wolf 3910 Suite fifth wheel, call or text at 218-740-4963. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.